Yeah, maybe I'll look at
Tim,
Sick.
observe that SFSP.
Yeah, what?
Where is it? Where's that?
We'll grab it for you, okay? Hey, John.
Somebody, no, yo, I don't want it.
Do you believe that she's under the influence? Do you believe that she's under the influence?
No, I do not, sir. I swear. You want to take a money? You want to, you guys coming? No, that's a wrong, though, sir. Then you don't have what I said about rights, and I don't have the rights.
She's a substitute, so what does that usually mean?
Well,
we have driving,
okay, so
and I would talk to the paramedics, so when you guys are treating her, did you detect any
Are you clapping? No. Bus, oh, yeah, oh.
Okay, so for the toll, I need to get all the information and the address, and then I switch to
Can I call someone?
We did on the computer.
You can call it from me. Yeah, limited
Can I get my phone in my bag?
Yeah, whatever you think for you.
I can just like I saw in here, but
That's fine.
Hey, Josh, you want?
You happy? You like it? Welcome back. Ow, that's too much. Okay, you tighten on me.
Are you getting a receipt, Jason? Are we getting a civic address of this house, or are we going to use a general address of the different
When we call for the toll, we can use a specific address.
Driver under arrest section. You guys good?
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
You called it in? Yeah, I called it in. Good. What kind of crash is this? Slide your feet in so I can show you any injuries. Yeah, no injury. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah, and also different drink.
Like the other day too, why was
Just go and slide back so then you can push your feet in. Okay, for major injuries. I was going to put on the seatbelt for you just so you're safe. Right now,
she hits Doug over here. Neither one of them have injuries.
yeah, we still got
We still take a report for that? Neither one of them have injuries?
No, it's okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's good to leave that way. Alright.
So, 11 injuries, if there's no injuries, we don't take
Okay,
report.
we'll stop for driving around. Alright.
So what do we need for a crash accident for?
So like, you know, if there was that Arizona T-can in there, right? Say that was